Hey guys, it's me, Aaron Espinosa, and today I would like to share something based from my experience and based from what I've learned. So these are the 3 things that you are more successful than you think. Number 1, you can finally say no without feeling guilty. So ibig sabihin, kapag may request sa'yo na alam mo naman na hindi ka magbe-benefit doon at para lang sa kanila, you can already say no. Yung tipong dati, you're just saying yes para you feel belong. You're just saying yes so that you'll be accompanied with them. Pero right now, wala ka nang iniintindi kundi ang future mo, ang sarili mo, and your own circle of friends. Di mo sila kailangan, yung mga taong gumagamit sa'yo. Alright. Number 2, you can now finally have the ability to not compare yourself to others. Kasi I know the feeling. Kasi especially kapag may nakikita kang bagay na wala ka, na meron yung isang tao, like for example your friend, bawa yung kaibigan mo, ba't siya may sports car, ba't siya may ganyan, ba't siya may mamahaling sapatos, ba't ako wala. So it's like you're comparing yourself to what they have. So parang I think that's a bad thing na, but everyone goes through this and I understand. Pero that's the thing, kapag na-master mo na tipong you're not comparing yourself to others anymore and you are contented with what you have, you're contented on what you're achieving and what you are gaining, I think that's probably an achievement already, because you already control your emotions and you controlled your mindset. So okay, number 3, and this is final, you choose peace over argument. So I know the feeling na pag may argument to, laging gusto mo ikaw panalo. Like in both sides, syempre pareho sila gusto manalo dun sa argument. But you are the type of person na kahit alam mo wala kang mali, wala kang ginagawang kasalanan, but for the argument not to prolong longer, hindi mo na pinupush yung sarili mo manalo. Kumbaga, hindi mo na pinipilit yung point mo. Kasi to the point na you already prove your point. Ngayon, pag wala pa din, then stop. Wala namang kailangang i-push eh. Wala namang mawawala sa'yo kung mananalo sa'yo sa argument, diba? So, you just choose peace. Kumbaga, minsan pa nga di ka na nagsasalita para lang matigil yung argument. And I think that's also a wise choice. Yung tipong di ka nang lalaban. Depende na syempre kung sinuntok ka, di tirahin mo. But like, ako kasi, me personally, I'm a tipong tao na kapag binara ako or like may sinabi sa akin masama, I just ignore them kasi words lang sila at the end of the day. Hindi man sila makaka-apekto sa akin. Bagay kung physically, kung sinuntok ako, syempre lalaban ako, but like kung salita lang, wala yan. It's all in the head, diba? You learn to control it, you learn to master it, learn to overcome it, and soon magiging nature na sa'yo yung baliwala na lang yung mga taong naninira sa'yo. So, yun lang. So, for me, success is not about money. Success is not about how many things you have. Success is attitude, and success is yourself. Diba? So, yun lang. Again, I am Aaron Espinosa, and this video is for you guys, and thank you very much. Peace.